how to remove text from image without removing the background. Sometimes what happens is you might have a text on the image and you don't want to remove the background itself, but just that particular text which is not really to your liking. We can do this with the help of a couple of tools, and there are many ways to do this, right? So I'll just type in text from image remover, right? So I'll just type that in, text from image remover. So once I've done that, I'll find many links that can do this, right? Like Pixelcut.ai, photo.com, clipdrop.co, sorry, and Picsart. And well, there are many lots and lots of apps and services that can do this. I'll recommend you select the first one, tap the upload image button, and just select that particular image where you had that particular, let's say, text, right? So whenever you go ahead and then select that, then you should be able to go ahead and then see a couple of details in that case. And once you've done that, it will be able to upload the image, and you will be able to go ahead and then manually increase the brush size and just do like this for the part of the video that has the text. And once done, you can hit the download button to download and remove that particular text. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.